Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. So today we're talking about Boost Mobile and how they have an extra 20% off savings on new Android phones. So this is the best time to do it, guys, when Boost Mobile's having these online promotions with 20% off. And that's the golden number that I've seen over the years. If it's Veterans Day, if it's Halloween, if it's Christmas or anything like that, it's usually 20% off a phone. So let's get into it, guys, and see today's deal. So it says wonderful holiday savings, extra 20% off any new Android phone. Yes, guys, they never do this deal on an iPhone. I don't know why. Maybe iPhones are that expensive, and maybe that's where. I mean, you gotta give credit to Boost though, guys. Look at it. The iPhones are usually about $100 less. So the XR is $750. Boost is selling it for $650. So you're already getting $100 off. So can't complain too much. But let's say the one we're focusing on today is extra 20% off any new Android phone. Use code HOLIDAY2018. So very cool. Just you can copy and paste that and you click save now. This offer actually ends on December 6th. So we got about 3 days before this promotion's over, guys. So definitely want to jump on it if you're looking for a new phone. So let's just look at a couple. So the LG G6, you can get 20% off that. It's $270, really good phone. Of course, if you're porting, you can get it for $50. So not bad. But if you're not porting in, save that extra 20%, The J3 achieves pretty good. Stylo 3 at $99, so you're saving $20 there. The LG Stylo 4 is another really good phone, guys, for $230, and then you'll knock off another 20% off of that. So that's probably the one everybody's really looking for. So $230, and then just so you guys can see this times the 20% off, how much you're gonna save. You're gonna save $46, guys. So it's going to be under $200, so that's the way to go with the LG Stylo 4 Plus, on Boost at least. Very good pricing there. Look at that. The Galaxy S9, $700. So guys, you already know you're going to save quite a bit of money on that one. Because the more the phone costs, the more percentage it's going to knock off. So I'm guessing maybe $150. Oh, look at that, $140. So you're saving $140 off that phone right now, guys. The S8 as well, $600. You can get 20% off. Just look at that. The A6 right there. That's where you can get it, guys. I just did the review on this phone. You can check that out in the description below. But you will be able to get it for right at $200, I believe it was, with that extra 20% off, because the phone is $250. It was $350, but it's discounted right now, $100. So I should be right. Yep, look at that, $200. So you're gonna save $50 on this phone and get it for $200, guys. The A6 for $200, I think it's definitely worth it. That's around the price it goes either way. So definitely that's the one to aim for, guys. And like I said, I will leave my review and unboxing video in the description below if you want to check that out. But definitely it's the best time to do it. So hopefully this was informative to you guys. So like I said, Holiday 2018 is the promo code. Yep, Holiday 2018. So use that at checkout to save 20% off, guys. So thanks for watching. Now, if you want to donate via my PayPal, you can in the description below. You can also check out my website in the description below, and also you can check out netbuddy.co, guys. They're my #1 supporter. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you will save $5. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.